If you've ever pulled your shoes out of the closet and instantly regretted it, yeah, this video's for you. I've dealt with gym shoes, work boots, and sneakers that straight up smelled awful. So I went out and bought 5 of the most popular options claiming to be the best shoe deodorizer, tested them in real life, and figured out which ones actually work and which ones just cover things up. Product number 1, Arm & Hammer Sport Gear and Shoe Refresher Spray. The feel. When I first picked this up, it felt like a classic no-nonsense spray bottle. The trigger is solid, and I like that I could spray it upside down without it sputtering. It feels made for gym bags, not bathroom shelves. Real performance. I tested this on my running shoes and a pair of old gym sneakers that were honestly embarrassing. What I noticed right away was how fast it worked. One solid spray inside each shoe and the odor was gone, not masked. The baking soda thing actually does something here. I also like that I could hit my gym bag and gloves with the same bottle, which saved time. After a heavy workout, the shoes didn't get that sour smell they usually do. The verdict: if you've got sports gear or multiple pairs of shoes that get nasty fast, this is a safe buy. From there, I tried something totally different, no sprays at all. Product number 2, Nonsense Shoe Deodorizer 2-pack. The feel: holding these felt almost too simple. They're small, lightweight, and basically disappear once you drop them into your shoes. No liquid, no powder, nothing to spill. Real performance. I slid these into a pair of everyday sneakers I wear non-stop. The big thing I noticed was that there's 0 scent. It doesn't try to smell fresh at all. After leaving them overnight, the odor was noticeably reduced, not instantly gone, but way better by morning. Over a week of use, the smell didn't come back as strong, which surprised me. I also tossed one into my gym bag and forgot about it, and it quietly did its job without any mess. The verdict: if you hate sprays or strong smells, this is for you. After that, I wanted something more traditional but natural. Product number 3, FootSense All-Natural Foot and Shoe Powder. The feel: when I opened this, it felt like a proper old-school powder bottle. The powder itself is super fine, not clumpy, and smells lightly herbal, not overpowering. Real performance. I used this directly on my feet and inside my work boots. What stood out was moisture control. My feet stayed dry way longer than usual, which helped prevent odor from starting in the first place. Inside the boots, a small shake was enough. The smell didn't just disappear for a few hours, it stayed under control all day. I also didn't get any irritation, which I was worried about with powders. It felt gentle but effective. The verdict: if sweaty feet are your main problem, this one makes sense. After that, I tested a spray that works on both feet and shoes. Product number 4, PIXIWNK Foot and Shoe Deodorizer Spray. The feel: this bottle feels lighter and more compact, something I'd actually throw into a travel bag. The spray comes out fine and even not aggressive. Real performance. I sprayed this directly on my feet before socks and inside casual shoes. It dried fast and didn't leave that weird sticky feeling some sprays do. The cooling sensation was noticeable, especially after being on my feet all day. Odor-wise, it handled everyday smells well and kept things fresh for hours. I also liked that the scent stayed subtle and didn't clash with anything. The verdict: if you want something gentle that works on skin and shoes, this fits well. Finally, I tried one that focuses hard on odor breakdown. Product number 5, Uncle Todd's Shoe Deodorizer Spray. The feel: this one felt more premium right away. The bottle is sturdy and the scent hits you as soon as you spray, clean, outdoorsy, but not fake. Real performance. I used this on a pair of boots that had deep, baked-in odor. The enzyme formula actually made a difference after a couple of uses. Instead of just covering the smell, the odor faded over time. The mountain scent stuck around but mellowed nicely. I like that it didn't soak the shoe or leave residue. After a week, those boots were actually wearable again. The verdict: if your shoes are already bad and need serious help, this one's worth it. That's it. Those are the 5 I personally tested to find the best shoe deodorizer depending on what you need. If you want current prices or deals, check the links in the description. And if your shoes smell like regret, hopefully this saves you some trouble.